we're having a hard time moving because we have a dog with an anxiety problem.
She doesn't have anxiety problem. Don't talk about her. It makes it worse.
What's up? Getting our RV.
Good, how are you?
Picking up our camper,
Yep.
and we're gonna learn everything about it in the next 2 hours. Okay, so we're a little nervous picking up the RV right now. We have never owned or bought an RV.
Nope.
Have we pulled one with our truck? No.
No, we've never.
We've never.
We drove one.
We've driven one, but we've never attached like a trailer to our truck and pulled it. So we are going to go in a 2-hour class of how to do everything.
Sounds long. Though.
I'm super nervous.
Yeah.
If Dad can actually get the corners, and I'm thinking that he's gonna clip a corner one time.
Well, we hope not.
Well, it's gonna be hard to park too.
It's gonna be hard to park. It's gonna be hard to drive. We're gonna have to make sure he stays in the slow lane and doesn't pass people.
And Gracie.
And Gracie's gonna be super nervous. So let's go in and see what this is about.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's illegal.
Oh my God, he just splashed me with water. Is that it? Oh my gosh, that's it, guys. What? That is what it is. This is super intimidating. I think we've got a kind of a tutorial and everything. I recorded everything. I recorded everything so we could kind of use it as a little, like, guide. But I think I know how to do everything, but it's super intimidating. It's kind of like we are going home from the hospital with a baby we have no idea what to do with, and they're just like letting us go. They're like, yeah, good luck. I'm like, what? I don't know. But I'm nervous and excited all at the same time. All right, the 2-hour, it wasn't even 2 hours.
No.
But the how to do everything went well. He's feeling a little bit better about pulling the camper.
Yes.
Do you think you have any lingering questions?
No.
No, but
will.
we're pretty excited about this. It's the camper's main voyage. We're very nervous.
It's got to be our craziest idea yet.
I don't think so. I think it's going to be something that, people,
The kids will remember for their entire life.
they better, good or bad.
Good or bad.
They will remember it. Do you guys think you will remember this trip forever?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
If you like this trip, do you think you'll take your kids for a trip like this?
Yes.
I can't.
I do think it's the craziest idea we've ever had. I'm kind of excited about it, but I think it'll be great. I think it's going to be fantastic. It's an adventure that most people don't have the opportunity to take, and I think that's going to be awesome
And
for
every
us.
time we say to somebody, they're like, oh, that will be so cool, and they're thinking about like them doing it for 1 week. No, 2 months.
Yeah,
Yeah, 2
they all
months.
say that's so excited. I wish I could do it, and then we say, oh, we're going to do it for 2 months, and then what do their faces do?
Oh.
Their faces go.
2 months.
Too long. That's what they say.
That's when they think we're crazy.
They're like, oh gosh, no, not 2 months. No.
We're gonna be doing a lot of challenges on the road.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yes,
Challenge
and
number
then
1,
we'll
getting there.
I was just going to say, challenge number 1: who will be able to get there?
With helping.
And
goats.
also,
With Gracie.
you will be cooking with Chef Sawyer on the road, but we're doing it old-fashioned with just a spoon.
With just a spoon.
Just
oh, no
a
mixer.
No, we don't have no mixer.
Not to what you call it, you buddy, but
We
old
don't
fashioned
got no
means you cook
mixer.
over a fire, not over a gas stove inside of a camper that's
Are
got
you-
AC.
No, like old-fashioned baking it without
You're going to make cookies without a mixer.
Yes.
Oh,
and it's
gosh,
gonna
buddy, you're
kill
savage.
You're
Savage.
Savage.
Whoa, I've never heard a parent say savage.
I think maybe
before.
it should, instead of Chef Sawyer, it should be Chef Savage. Try to say
Chef
that.
Savage. We should make
Chef
your own
Savage.
YouTube channel called Chef Savage. So we're parking it again. We're holding the parking spaces
Yeah.
for him. We're hoping he can make the corner. We haven't seen him make the corner yet, though. There it is. It doesn't look that big from here.
No, it looks like you're really
It looks pretty small.
Compared to that truck, it looks huge.
Alright, Sutton, you gotta move.
You gotta come in.
Where's he going?
What is he doing?
What's up, guys? We're getting some leveling stuff. We're
Leveling blocks.
Leveling blocks.
Hello.
We need leveling blocks because we didn't have them. And what else are we getting? We are getting
stuff. What else are we getting?
Oh, wood, because we can't unhitch the trailer without a block of wood underneath the tongue of it, so we are...
It has to keep it up, so otherwise the whole thing will flop.
Right, so we're at Home Depot.
Yeah.
Let's just agree to live in the camper from now on. We're trying to move out of the apartment, and it's horrible, because even though we've been here less than 3 months, it's like 900 degrees outside. We don't want to move anymore. We don't want to put anything in the camper anymore. So now we have to live in the RV forever. That's liquor. Like, I'm literally like having heat stroke. No. We just loaded 2 couches in the truck, and now we're gonna go take it over in 900 degree heat.
Yep.
This is going well. I'm hiding in the bathroom. I don't think I can do this anymore, and a lot of it was my idea. I'm so tired. I don't think we can do it.
I think one of the 2 things will happen with this trip. One is it'll seem like it goes very fast. It'll be fun. It'll be relaxing, but yet we'll get to see a bunch of things. Or it's going to be stressful, painful. We might sell the trailer on the road and just drive right back towards the house and just live in a hotel for like maybe a month and a half or so before we can get into our apartment.
He doesn't think we're gonna even make it halfway. He thinks we're gonna abandon the trailer and just go right back.
I didn't say abandon the trailer. I said sell it. I mean, I'm still cheap. I'm not gonna just forfeit the money, you know. So I wouldn't just abandon.
So there's only 2 ways: super fun, or
sell it on the road, and just we drive the truck and we maybe visit some family, and then we just circle back and come home.
I guess we'll see. Okay, so here's what I think, and you have to take in consideration I'm really hot and tired, but I am done with the moving, and we still have 2 more moves to go. We still have to.
We still have 3 moves to go. Wait.
3? What 3?
Because we waited too long to get a 3-bedroom apartment, so we have to
Yes.
move into a
That's
2-bedroom
right. Oh my
apartment for
God.
2 weeks. For
Kill
2
me
weeks.
now.
And then we're literally moving. Yeah, and one of the kids is going to live in the closet.
That's a true story. We have to be in a 2-bedroom for 1 month, and it's 2 bedrooms. So the boys are going to share. Savannah's going to get the walk-in closet, and we are going to share for an entire month. Then we got to move that stuff into a 3-bedroom for
3-bedroom.
4 months, 5 months.
Whatever it is.
Then
Most likely we'll have to eat a month of rent because our house will probably be done, so we'll get to eat that money, and then or actually they'll get to eat the money, and then we get to move into the house.
this, I think, why people have their stuff on Storage Wars is because they're like, I can't do it anymore. Just take my stuff, sell it to somebody else. Because I kind of feel like that right now. I feel like we don't need or want any of it because I don't want to move it ever again.
Except for the great couch. I like the great couch.
I do like the great couch, and I do want to, that is my computer back there. We're going to leave it at some friend's house because we don't want to put it in the storage, but I don't know. There's too many moves in this, and so in this 9 months, we're going to move like 5 times and live in a camper. I don't know. It's a lot.
Good thing our kids aren't, they don't care.
Oh my God.
Literally, you could roll up and throw a mattress on the floor and go, we're staying here for a few months. They're like, yeah, all right.
Okay, but here's the thing. Here's what's funny. Most people don't move because of their kids. We're having a hard time moving because we have a dog with an anxiety problem.
She doesn't have an anxiety problem. Don't talk about it. It makes
She
it worse.
has an anxiety problem. She is the most anxious dog I've ever met. Like, we'll show you later, but she is literally probably vomiting in the apartment in anticipation of this move.
Yes. The last time we moved out of the house into an apartment, she threw up on the floor like 3 times. No, she threw up on the floor once, and then she threw up in the driveway like 3 times.
She thinks we're gonna leave her. That's
Yes.
why. She's literally, every time we leave just to go get something to eat, she's like barking and freaking out. So we have a dog with an anxiety problem.